Alrighty, I've gone ahead and shared my screen. I'm going to start with working off of my mobile device. I have my iPhone connected here to our demonstration website that Kieran has been sharing as the backend tool. What you're seeing here is the home page on my mobile phone as I scroll through the various pages and so on. So to start, obviously I'm a customer of your organization. Maybe I'm just browsing, or I am a first-time browser of your organization, and I wanted to see some products and pricing and so on. Depending on how you configure the site, you can allow for guest shopping or turn that off completely, meaning that it has to be through a login to see information. We do have a fully integrated search, and this fictitious company sells different product lines. It sells all types of electronics, including TVs, HD TVs, and so on. But it also sells wine products and different types of wines, and also sells welding equipment and other types of equipment. So for this search, I'm an unidentified guest shopper looking for an HD television. I can search on terms. It starts giving me suggestions based on the characters that I go entering so that I can more easily and quickly find the specific products that I'm looking for. And it brings me up a list of possible matches that are found within that product. And from here, if I wanted to scroll through or see any particular products, I can definitely do that, as you can see, seeing the various pricing and just an overall description of the product, and whether or not it's in stock or in back order. This information of being back ordered, being in stock, coming directly from JD Edwards through our real-time integration into JD Edwards. And once I get to that product that may be of interest to me, I can see more information. I can see the specific pricing. In this case, this LG 50-inch TV at $295. I can drill into that product and then see more content. This is where, again, Kieran was showing some of that product content and the back-end functionality. This product is sold in multiple units of measure and cases and eaches and pallets. And as I change the selection criteria to maybe from eaches to cases, it lets me know that you know what a case of this product will cost. Here I can see that it's the maximum quantity that I can order based on controls that have been placed into the product information is 5. So that's all I can order. And then if I scroll down, I can see other content related to this product, so I can clearly make sure that this is what I'm looking for. Now, as a return user, and we're going to see this same product, I'm going to go in as a B2B user that's coming back, that has a relationship with your organization and get specific pricing based on advanced pricing rules or JD Edwards contract pricing, whatever it is that you have. And I'm going to go ahead and here log in as an existing user, Terry Nash at capital.com. He represents an organization called Capital Systems, and they're a customer of Smarter Tech. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. And go ahead and sign in. It identifies me as Terry Nash. It lets me know the last time I logged in, and it throws me onto what we call the dashboard. The dashboard is a collection of different products and or capabilities that I have available to me. The first thing that I see is my persistent shopping cart. So last time I was on the site, I threw some things in my shopping cart, but I hadn't checked out yet. Now we do have shopping cart abandoned notification, letting the customers know that they have items in their cart and if they want to check out and complete their order. But I can, through my dashboard, I can see things like invoice history. I can see recent orders, and the dashboard is configurable by the user. They can go in and decide, what options they want to turn on or off, and see on their dashboard available to them for selection criteria. So once I've done that, obviously I can scroll through and see the various products. Now I'm going to go back here a moment and search again for that same grouping of products here, give me my search suggestion of HD TVs, and drill into the various products that are out there. And then we're going to scroll down to that same television that we saw earlier, that LG TV that we saw. Now, if you recall, that LG TV for a typical guest user was $295. But here, for this specific user, because they have a relationship with us and because JD Edwards pricing rules come into effect through advanced pricing or contract pricing, it gives me the exact price that I'm paying for this item. This is my price. So we start personalizing the information so that the customer, the B2B customer, your dealer or your purchaser is seeing the information that is most relevant to him. In this case, exactly what he would pay for this product, and seeing the savings that he has. And all this is configurable, and also can see volume price breakdowns if I buy 2 or more or 3 or more of this product, and be able to scroll through the various content. So we merge content with pricing and availability information from Edwards, allowing your users to quickly and easily find what they're looking for and drill in and see exactly what they would pay for that item. Now, in addition, obviously we have a fully functioning catalog of products, depending on what you may be looking for. If I don't want to use the search, I can definitely scroll through the various catalogs that have been created. And then once I get to that grouping that I desire to see, I can drill into that to see the various products within that. So flexibility to the user to be able to both work through their mobile phone or a desktop, as you saw Kieran using earlier, and being able to easily go through and find what they're looking for. Not only can they see historical information from both a shopping list and invoice information, from a catalog listing, but they can also see historical information such as, their shopping history. Maybe they're looking for the status of a particular order. Now, this shopping history isn't just web orders. This is all shopping history, whether I placed it through EDI or I placed it through a phone order. And I want to get to that information, I can easily and quickly drill into the details of a particular order. I can search that order and I can see all of the details related to this order summaries, and then down below the various products that were purchased on this specific order, the quantities, whether it's in what status it's in, is it just order entered or has it been shipped already? If it's been shipped, is there tracking information? All of that linked to capabilities that are found within my login. Same capabilities we just saw from a ordering perspective. I can see invoice history, where now I'm seeing all the various invoices, but maybe I need to not just see the details of a specific, I'm looking for a specific invoice. I can filter down to that invoice number or PO number. Once I find that, I can drill into that specific invoice and see the details behind that invoice, review any information that I may have about this. And from anywhere in the site, whether it be from an invoice or from an order history, at any point I can add any item and repeat that order again, or repeat and buy that product again at any point. So it's as easy as that. If I ever bought via a phone-in order and I search it on the web and I want to buy it again, I can just come here to that historical order, click add to cart, and it'll obviously add it to my shopping cart, but at the most current pricing and availability that is available for that specific line item. In addition, maybe it's not that I wanted to see the details behind that invoice, but actually maybe download the physical invoice related to this order. And again, if you've linked your physical PDFs to your orders, we can go and retrieve them and allow your customers right from their phone to pull that order and then send it off to their printer if they need be to reprint that. And they can download these invoices right to their phone, their tablet, their desktop, whatever it is that they need. All of these capabilities available to the user to be able to manage their relationship with you, not just from a historical perspective as to shopping history and invoice history, but also if they do, if you allow for returns, they can see their returns history right through here. If you allow for quotes, they can see their quotes history and whether those quotes have been converted to an order, or actually go through the process of converting that quote to an order. They can also view payment history, as you can see here. They can schedule things for payment. And we also have some unique capabilities that may be of interest, such as product lists. Product lists are a capability where I can set up my own little mini catalogs, the products that I'm most interested in, and group them into a specific shopping list. So that if I routinely am purchasing these catalogs, these products throughout, I can go through and create different shopping lists, different product lists, put those products into it, and then when I'm ready, I can go ahead and purchase that product directly from here. So I don't have to go through and find that product or go searching for it. I can just go straight to my shopping list and add that product right to my shopping list. So as you can see, I have various different ways to purchase. I can go through, I can create product lists. I also have save cart capabilities. Save carts are basically exactly what it is. It's a shopping cart that you're not ready to check out yet. And you wanted to save it because you're maybe still building the order and you're not ready to check out. So you put it out into save cart. And when you're ready, you go through and you place that order. You can also work with, right through here, you can view and work your quotes. You can work and do what's called a quick order. A quick order is if you know the products that you're working with, or you have the specific items, IDs or item numbers, you can go through and enter those products directly into the system, so that if you know exactly what it is that you're looking for, and as you can see as I'm typing, it starts giving me suggestions as to what you're possibly are looking for. And then once it finds what I'm looking for, I can go ahead and select it to add that product into, and it goes through and it prices all of the information, tells me whether it's available or not. So this is more for a B2B user that knows exactly what it is that they are desiring to purchase, and they can go through and quickly add it. We also have import capabilities. Obviously, for import capabilities, that's something you normally see on your desktop and stuff because you want to create your order outside through an Excel spreadsheet or some sort of template spreadsheet and be able to import it in quickly and easily. So we have complete import capabilities of orders throughout the process.